Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from this deck. Let's see what's coming up. Scorpios. Okay, guys. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel some rare opportunity is coming your way. Some kind of what to say, luck, very unexpected. You never expected this to happen, but in order to utilize it and analyze it, you have work to do, guys. You need to be very patient, and you need to be aware of the things you have to do to make it work. Scorpios, that is the energy I'm getting here. You need courage to make things manifest, to make it work. So something from your past, some kind of what to say, in your personal life or in your professional life, something regarding your work is coming to a closure, guys. Something is ending, some kind of you're distancing yourself from that. So I also see that energy here, Scorpios. And you should be courageous enough to what to say, take up new choices, go for something new and discover different things, okay? And in order to do that, you need the courage to take that first step. So you have to break out of your comfort zone, Scorpios. That is also the energy here. If you want something new to come into your life, something new to manifest, you need to break out of your usual pattern, try something different. That is also the energy here. But the path is filled with challenges, guys, lots of obstacles to overcome. You need to think clearly. Your approach should be different. That is also the energy here. You need to really work hard to utilize and analyze analyze and utilize that opportunity that is going to come towards you, Scorpios. So you need to be patient, and you have to have that balance of mind and harmony to make it work. So that is the energy here, Scorpios. Let me pick out three cards from the other deck. Let's see what's coming up. King of Cups. Six of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles, guys. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you're a very creative person. Maybe you are getting an opportunity regarding something in the creative field maybe. So and you are content with what you have, and you're feeling responsible for your choices, and you have a kind of emotional satisfaction, Scorpios. That is also the energy here. And for few of you all, you may be uh, gifting people, or people may gift you, and you will feel you have attracted their attention, and you're feeling happy because of that. Okay, that may also be the energy. For some of you all, you may be into some kind of arguments and quarrels, maybe with your friends or family. That may also be the energy here. And you may be working hard to make things work towards your goal. You may have a profitable, you may be profitable in business today. So that is also the energy here, Scorpios. And mostly I feel your energy, you are coming out of something from your past, or maybe some kind of negative energy. You're posed with an opportunity to achieve some of your goals. Okay, at the same time, you should be patient enough to see it through to reach the goal. And you may be arguing with somebody regarding that, or some kind of serious discussion may be going on. So that is also the energy here, Scorpios. Let me pick out 3 cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Maybe this is your energy, or this may be your person's energy, Scorpios. They may be quarreling with you, and they may what to say, be trying to discuss something with you, or they may uh, be coming out of a, what to say, a boring routine. They may be trying something new. Okay, angel, there's an angel card here. Cooperate. Be discerning. Okay, Scorpios, you should be aware of the choices you have in your life. So when you do that, you will know what are the important choices, and what are your goals, and towards what you need to work. When you understand that, you will be able to make the correct choices for yourself. Even small things matter, what we do day to day. So in the long run, it will just be beneficial for all the people involved. So when you make a correct choice, it helps in the long way, Scorpios. And you need to be maybe you are cooperating very what to say, contributing in your relationship, helping your person, or helping your family, friends, or maybe they are doing it, maybe they are expecting you to help. So that may also be the energy here. Maybe you're appreciating others for their abilities and skills, and encouraging others. we can be of help, not only with the actions, even with the words and how we behave, Scorpio. So that is also very important here. So in day to day life, you should be, what to say, be a big help to build the harmony in any situation we are in. So that is the energy here. And for some of you all, you may be, what to say, you may be feeling inspired to take up some, that's what the energy I got earlier, like some kind of creative work. Opportunity may come for you to work on something creative, maybe what you were already interested in. So that is the energy here, guys. You are going on a creative journey, Scorpios, and for some of you all, you may be overcoming your childhood traumas, you may be healing from your childhood traumas, guys, and that is the energy here, Scorpios. So you have to work towards your goals, guys. You have to, you are getting opportunities, but you need the strength and patience to make this opportunity work and help you reach your goal. So that is the energy here, Scorpios. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.